Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am so excited to share this piece with you. A scene I have really been looking forward to creating. Two adorable cats just sitting together on a cozy bench, surrounded by trees and a warm glowing sun. There is something about this sitting that feels so peaceful, almost like a little moment frozen in time. I have always been drawn to the simplicity of scene like this, the way the cat seems to content just sitting there together, enjoying the moment. It's those small details that make drawing like this so enjoyable for me. As I am working on it, I feel like I am part of the peaceful moment too. There is no rush, just taking my time and letting the color bring everything to life. Speaking of colors, I have been having a lot of fun experimenting with them in this drawing. The way the sunlight dances around the tree, how the shadow play across the bench, it all adds a scene of warmth and tranquility. I am really loving how the different shades blend together, creating calming, almost dreamlike atmosphere. When I'm working on the scene like this, I like to imagine the story behind it. Maybe these two cats are lifelong friends, just enjoying a lazy afternoon, or perhaps they are meeting for the first time, finding comfort in each other's company. It's these little stories that make the drawing feel more alive to me. I am really happy with how the trees frame the scene. I wanted them to feel almost protective, like they are sheltering the cats in this quiet moment. The sunlight filtering through the leaves adds such a soft glow to the whole drawing. It feels like one of those perfect, peaceful days where everything just comes together in harmony. I have found that adding these natural elements like the tree, the bench, and the sun helps to create a scene of place. It's not just about the cat, but the whole environment that they are a part of. It's so satisfying to see how everything complements each other, coming together to tell a story without needing words. As I continue to work on the detail, I'm just enjoying the process. There is something really calming about slowly building up the layer of colors, watching the scene take shape. I hope you are finding it as relaxing to watch as I am to create. Drawing has always been a way for me to unwind, and I love how it can transport me to a different world, even if just for a little while. Whether it is the gentle curve of the trees or the soft expression of the cats, every little detail adds to the scene of calm. If you are enjoying these peaceful moments as much as I am, make sure to stick around till the end. There is something about watching a drawing unfold in real time that feels so satisfying, don't you think? And of course, if you are loving the vibe of the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I have got so many more colorful drawings like this coming, and I would love to have you join me on this journey. Even new piece in a chance to explore some things different, and I can't wait to share and I can't share to it with all you me and I can't wait to share it all with you. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. It is always such a joy to share this moment with you, and I hope this drawing of our two sweet cats on the bench bring you a little bit of calm just like it. Let's keep enjoying this together, and I will see you in the next video.